Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nur Izwan bin Jurani. My matrix number is 60 BPM 23F1032. I'm going to present about presentation OSH, Occupational Safety and Health. The company I choose for this topic is SilTerra Malaysia manufacturer. First is a company background. SilTerra Malaysia SDMBHD was originally incorporated under the name Wafer Technology Malaysia in November 1995. It was renamed to SilTerra Malaysia in December 1999. The company is based in the Kilang High Tech Park, Lot 8, Phase 2, Kilang, Kedah, Malaysia. Its business is in the semiconductor from dry wafer manufacturing industry. Manufacturing integrated circuits ICS, wafer fabrication, mixed signal, RF, high voltage, CMOS, MEMS, etc. Next is for pest analysis. First, industrial policy. SilTerra strategy was established as a national project to move Malaysia up the semiconductor value chain. As such, is often received government attention in the form of industry support policies. Government support and incentive. The government provides incentives such as pioneer status, tax incentive, and support from MIDA to attract investment and R&D. This reduces long-term operating costs. Next is regulation and safety standard. As a high-tech factory clean room, SilTerra is subject to OSH Environmental Standards ETA 1974 as well as export regulation for prohibited chemicals and high-tech. International trade relation. The semiconductor industry is vulnerable to geopolitical dispute as China chip ban. This can affect market access, equipment and technology partners. Okay, next let me summarize the current occupational safety and health practice implemented within the organization and analyze their relevance to the company industry and operation. First, management system. SilTerra has an environmental health and safety management system that includes ISO and ISO certifications. Policy procedures. The company OSH practice comply with Malaysian legal requirements, including the Occupational Safety and Health Act OSHA 1994. Next, hazard and risk management. Specific OSH training programs are conducted on topics such as chemical handling, forklift operation, and radiation protection. Staying in the zone program. A program called Staying in the Zone is used for staff to check their health, tools, area, and team member safety before starting work. For suggested improvement. First, hazard and chemical safety management. Implement real-time gas leak and air quality monitoring system to ensure a faster response to chemical exposure incidents. Next, emergency preparedness. Conduct high-intensity emergency simulation drills to improve response coordination and readiness. Next, safety culture and workforce. Introduce a behavior-based safety BBS program to encourage peer observation and safety feedback. Next is personal protective equipment PPE. Upgrade PPE to include acid-resistant gloves, improved respirators, and smart safety wear with alert sensors. Next is relevant relation to industry operation. First, use of hazardous chemicals. SilTerra wafer fabrication processes involves hazardous and corrosive chemicals such as hydrofluoric acid, ammonia, and various solvents. Therefore, all practice like chemicals handling procedures, proper PPE, ventilation system, and emergency eye wash shower units are highly relevant to prevent chemical burn, inhalation hazard, and poisoning incident. Second, clean room operation requirement. Semiconductor production require highly controlled clean room environment. Next is use of high precision and automated machinery. The manufacturing process relies heavily on automated equipment such as lithography, etching, deposition, and robotic wafer handling system. Wash controls like machine guarding, lockout, tagout, lotto, and safety interlocks are necessary to prevent injuries related to high pressure, braking system, high temperatures, and mechanical movement. And 4. 24-hour continuous production. Environment semiconductor fab operate continuously to maintain process stability. OSH measures such as shift handover, safety briefings, fatigue management policies, and continuous monitoring system help reduce operational errors and maintain safe working conditions across all shifts. And lastly, for suggested improvement, I suggest first occupational safety and health OSH training standard to introduce scenario-based simulation training, VR headset simulation for clean room emergency situation. Second, clean room energy efficiency. Clean room use high energy HVAC and constant air circulation. Adopt energy optimization system, automatic air change rate adjustment based on particle monitoring.